早安，今天是决赛，昨天是第8名进到决赛。一手开真的是很难开。哦，它看肉其实是生的。我一开始以为它会有什么面什么的，这外国人不知道敢不敢吃。超赞！我发现蒙古这边的羊肉其实稍微没有很重。现在中午，然后呢下午4点多了就要练习跟比赛，祝好运。然后 Dom 他受伤，所以我要帮他把车床拆好，装进袋子里面。啊，好累啊！自己的车还没拆就要拆他的，加油！
所以，这对于我们裁判来说，极限运动的魅力就在于同样的场地内，选手做的动作都不一样，选择的线路也不一样，所以。最后得分，比赛掌声，一定的得分将会有什么样的变化？
哦，好啊，好啊。
第2轮，
大家记得百度上能找到。OK， 酷，谢谢。谢谢，谢谢。哦，加油，加油！谢谢，谢谢。谢谢，谢谢。
Tricks, awesome street rider, yeah, that's called a tuck no. 360 over the spine, yeah, Vlad.
160度的转体。
Whoa, yeah!
Bar spin 转把的开局，180度转把。
Two hanger. Oh my gosh! This is Chen Jiahong!
好，郑家宏出场，来自中华台北，陈波给一个超高的空中腾跃，360度 X up 接 turn down， 空中连续3。Yeah, Nollie double pedal down the handrail, 70 bar spin,
The Smith.
Store, crank flip.
Yeah!
他们终于郑家宏 ，Yeah!
Lots of time on your clock. How about
180 wow! Wall fake 180.
this guy just won the Austrian National Championship 3 weeks ago. Big flare, yeah, Kev. Flare on the other, mixing it up a little bit. Bar spin up, tail whip down. Here we go with the Levi show. Truck driver the box backwards. Can air, taking it back to the old school. No. Beautiful 720. Bar spin to turn down. Tuck no-handed transfer. Yeah, how about that one? 360 tail whip, dip that nose a little bit. Yo! You don't see that one every day. 540 can. 5-bar. Levi throwing down here in his first run. Under 5 seconds.
Yeah! 3, 2, 1. Let's see this, everyone.
Love that bite. 1, 2. There you go.
常喜欢看菲利佩骑车，因为总是挂着笑容。骑车的过程当中都是带着微笑。360 bar spin truck driver to can and an alley-oop tabletop double tuck over the
Driver. Keep it going, Felipe.
The switch bar 转把。
Oh my god!
He got some decent street moves right there. How about that one? 360. 会有什么样的？With that bar ice right into a flare, yeah. Here's gonna be a big air. Yes!
Oh my!
Nose diving right in. Beautiful 360 tuck no-hander is what that trick's called. Quick little wall right on the quarter pipe. Oh yeah!
送给所有现场的
Got a mind, time stay focused. That's on my mind.
Jack Clark 出场，观众朋友们把你们的热情都准备好，因为你们不会失望，来自英国的车手 Jack Clark。
Wow, 360 double whip transfer. Alley-oop 5. This is why he's one of the best riders. There's that barrel roll tabletop. Clark with a big down jack. Ready to go.
Wow! Transfer down whip right there. Shot flag.
神嘞！
轮子想要给大家送上一场精彩的表演，观众朋友们，准备好你们的尖叫声、掌声！ That is going to be time for Jack Clark. Let him hear you!